Guys, so this video is brought to you by Sweetwater, and all the gear in here in these videos that you see are sent to by Sweetwater, and nothing, they're not reviewing the video. So if you want the gear, just check out Sweetwater, link is in the description, or it's just sweetwater.com, and continue the video.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you something really quick. Not really quick, it's actually, this isn't a quick video, it's gonna take some time to show you some stuff. So, 1 second, let's see. There you go. So, as you can see, this is my desktop. I'm gonna show you something. So, before I showed you the script right here. Okay, as you can see, that's the script. That's the one I made, which was it was multi OBS open. So it does open -n -a was open space -n space -a space capital OBS .app space -- argument space -m, which will open OBS in multi-mode, so it allows you to open up OBS in multiple windows. What it does, it doesn't allow you to run two different instances of OBS. Well, it allows you to run two instances of OBS, but not as you think. It allows you to run two instances of OBS that are the same. So basically, I'm going to show you how to make a automator software. So basically, you're gonna need to 1 second. So this is a script. So basically, the script is, if you put in the sudo space space application space OBS .app space contents space macOS space OBS space -p, when you run that, it will run it in portable mode. But when it runs in portable mode, like, they will ask you, if you're already running an instance of OBS, do you want to run anywhere? That's where -m comes, which will run it in multi-mode, which allows you to run OBS without that little the thing saying you're about to launch OBS a second time. So there's that, and sudo with the -p will do actually that in root. So if you want to run this software as just your normal user, as long as you're an admin, you can literally just forget the sudo and run it as is, which is applications /OBS. So let me show you. So, and when you type in a sudo password, it will ask you for your password. I mean, when you type a sudo command, it asks you for your sudo password or your max password. And so you type it in, it will be invisible. And yeah. So let me open this one. Let me open terminal, because I actually tried earlier to set up streaming through OBS to my like my YouTube channel. You might have saw the test, but it was pretty there was no audio, and I couldn't actually figure out how to get it working properly with this interface. And like I mean, get it working with like OBS, because I tried stream, and it just streaming through OBS through the account, it just didn't, it worked, but there was no audio, and I was speaking into the microphone. And then I tried OBS, I tried OBS with the stream key, that didn't work also. And I pretty much just tried to to do some other stuff for that, but that didn't work out properly. So let me get back to the command. So if you want to, what you're seeing is the stream scene I tried to like do with some talking in there, just so there was some movement in the background instead of just a voice or a black screen that says testing stream. And so when you type in this command, I'll show you. When you type in this command, press Control C, Control V, because I'm not typing it out. Space. Okay. So when you press enter, it'll ask for that. It says launch anyway. And as you can see, this is a test stream I have, and you can see my microphone back here. So there's that. So if we exit this, there's the actual command in there. It'll say it'll throw up an error because that's just Mac OS being Mac OS again. So now I'll show you the same command but with the -m. So basically, now we will open up a new terminal again and press paste. Space, just make sure it's not highlighted. So now we press enter. It runs, same exact thing, but now I didn't have to press launch anyway. So it just loads. And so this is how you have two versions of OBS running, because I'll show you. This one has two separate scenes, and if you look at this one, this has my actual, this is a recording one right here, and this is this one. I'm going to use this one just for some different scenes and stuff like that. But you can probably run multiple instances of it. I haven't tried it yet, so let me try it again. So if we press paste and press enter. Terminate. So, okay, so that's running with that, like that. So you can't run a second one, but you can run actually one. That you can run two instances of it. With this, there's probably another way of like doing a multiple window one. I haven't figured that one out yet. I can figure it out and let you know in the first comment if you want to know, just in case you're using Mac OS and you're doing this. Windows, it's much easier. You just have to create a configuration folder, put inside of the OBS folder. Pretty much have multi-mode OBS. I think I've done a video of that. Probably haven't, but that's all you need to do for that. So putting this back over here. 1 second. So now I'll show you how to make it into an automator script. Into automator. So basically, you go File, New, or open up Automator however you want. You want to put this on a place, either you want to put it into your applications folder. So you go new application, type in shell script, and now change this from ZH. Well, yeah, that's fine. You can turn it to Ben Bash or Ben ZHS. And you press space. Then to test to make sure it works, because in order to make sure it works before you save the file, you press the run button and you press OK, and there you go. And I wonder if it'll open. I don't know if it'll open up multiple times with like running automated. I haven't tried it yet, so it doesn't because of it says pause right there. So there's that. That answers the question there. So at least we know it works. So now go file, file, save, and now go save it to the desktop just so you can try running it without automated running. So let's see, new. So portable OBS. You can't run this off of a flash drive unless you have OBS installed on that computer, and they can run this and then it'll run there. So press save. And now you basically close Automator, and then you run this. Yes. Yes. And now that's how you have it there. Okay. And I'm gonna try something real quick just to see if it works. I'm gonna pause real quick just so I can check the documentation. So I'm gonna stop here for a second so I can close OBS to try something. So yeah, okay. Thanks for watching so far. I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, I actually been testing some extra stuff off camera. So basically, how I just so you can get this to pretty to your advantages a lot. So basically, I have something explained about what I have set up. Cause on my Stream Deck, I just created. If you see over here, I created a blank button right here. That basically is that does Stream Deck stuff. Okay, so if we basically just drag scene here, and scene is right here. So basically, when setting up OBS for when setting up OBS, you have to have so if you're using your main OBS and you have Stream Deck stuff set up on there, you have to have that open and running first, and then you drag and drop your buttons on here, and then you basically just you have your buttons on OBS, your main OBS, which mine is on this screen over here, and then you have that open first, and then you drag and drop your stuff on there, make your icons and stuff. You're done. And then if you have a second instance of OBS running, you have to have that running first. So you close your main OBS session, and then you open up this session, and then refresh the Stream Deck software. And then once you refresh it, you add it onto here. You drag and drop here, and then you add your scenes here. And for example, this is scene two. And as you can see on here, this scene here is just testing stream with the background. And then the other one, which is scene 2, is just testing the scene with a black background because I didn't have any other video to test. So when I press the button on here that you can see right in the middle under the close OBS button, when I press it, you can watch on the screen. When I press it, it changes every 3 seconds to there, which is 3,000 seconds. 3,000 milliseconds. And then it does it a lot of times. And then it goes back to the main scene. And after that, that's done. How you can do after that. But when setting up this software, when we're making a software, you can either have it run like let me show you where's that thing at. So with this, you don't need, so only time you need sudo, because of if you just run the applications, if you just run the application, this app /application obs.app/contents/macOS /obs space p -p -m, it will run instance of OBS, multi-OBS without importable mode, so it will be different from this one that you're recording on, and so it allows you to do some OBS stuff. And so however you have those scenes set up, set up after you run, because once you do sudo, then this code, this terminal command, you end up basically having a issue where it's running as root, and when it runs as root, it works, and then when you shut down the software and run it without the sudo, you will have it as the same exact thing. So, but if you add anything, for example, another scene, because I added scene 2 without doing sudo, and when doing that, it added it just fine. But as soon as you close the software, it's gone because of it wasn't running as root. And so in order to add a permanent scene, you have to run sudo this terminal command in terminal, and then make all of your setting changes, and then exit out of the software, and then you just run this portion, and then it will open up in multi-view, and it'll also open it as in portable mode, so you can have 2 different settings. Because let me just show you, because of with multi-view, this allows you to run 2 instances of like OBS at one time without asking for the nagging launch anywhere icon, and the portable part basically makes so it doesn't copy that. But if you run my multi-OBS command, which is the first one, so if we press this one again, I have 3 versions of OBS open, but this one is the same as my main one, and you can see right here 3 versions of OBS, and this one is doing a recording. And so this one will do you can record on this one too, but it'll record the same thing this one's recording. But if you want it to, you can record on here and have it, so instead of having it record to a different same directory here, you can have it record to a different directory and just get 2 different recordings at the same time. And the only thing is, you have to do all your settings in the while running it as root, and then you would just stop the software and run it as a regular user. And there's probably a way around that, but I actually haven't figured it out yet, so I will figure that out right now. I'm gonna try, because once you actually run it with Automator, you literally can run it with Automator, and it'll run as the application folder, but and then you don't have to basically type it into terminal every time unless you are doing any changes. So you can run it through the Automator application, but you can also run it through there. And so I can dedicate another stream deck specifically just for that OBS. So for the portable OBS. And yeah, because there's times on the show you certain things in OBS, but like, and I can show you how to set it up and stuff. But okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna be right back to see if that works. Hi guys, so I'm back. I had to figure some stuff out. So basically, I noticed that because as you see, if you look closely, you see that there is scene 3 right there. See, and if we go to remove and press yes, now we have 2. Now you press exit, which is terminal, and then we go down to here where it says portable OBS, and if we go back over here, you see it's gone. But let's just close out this and then go to ignore and run terminal. Type in this. Sorry. So we type in this, the command, go there, run terminal, and as you can see, it's there. And I mean, that's there. So we just make a new thing, press OK. Now we close it. And now we just press X. And now we just reopen this. As you see, it's there. So now if we close this, press remove, press yes, close it again, and now do some ignore, press this, it's there again. As you can see, it's there. So to fix that, to keep it gone, you have to go exit out of OBS. Then you gotta go into terminal. So you should keep this this one handy, which is just that command right there. So the sudo command handy. And now you press enter. Type in your Mac password. And then it loads up. Now you press remove. Press yes. And then you press close. Close this. And now you go over back to this and you'll see it's gone. See? So I'm going to try to figure out a way of actually getting this to work better. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause it. I'm gonna stop it for now, and I'm gonna go be right back with you. Hi guys, I'm back. So more recent. So I actually couldn't figure out how do I try so many different commands. So to get this to work, you literally just have to basically type in. 1 second. Gotta go to the bathroom real quick. Okay, so basically, this is what you do. So you literally go to terminal, type in cd, and once you type in cd, you space capital D E desk top. I'm just saving it to desktop to make it easier to find. Press enter. You basically are CD'd into desktop, and then you type in nano space. I'm gonna name this PORT OBS. You don't want to put spaces in here unless you want to put in quotation marks. I'm not going to put spaces, so port OBS for portable OBS. And then press enter. You create a file. And then you use, then you do this right here, because I tried different ones, so. What is that? So this. So type in OSA script space -e colon do shell script semicolon sudo space / application space OBS /OBS .app / contents / Mac OS / OBS space -p space -m semicolon with administrator privileges. And I actually tried this running this in terminal and it worked. I haven't tried it through Automator yet, but basically once you do this, you literally put this here because it runs in terminal, and then you press Control X, which is you press Control X, type Y, enter. You have the file there. And then after that, you type in on here while still under desktop chmod. 1 second. Had to zoom in to check. I didn't want to mess up the actual screen. So space so it's chmod space plus X, and then you type in space and whatever the name was. This is called PORT OBS, port OBS, and you press enter. Makes an executable file. So now, when I run this, it should open up OBS. There you go. And I could probably, just to make sure, it is one that is can be edited. You basically, I'm gonna do this, create a new one, and then open the portable OBS app, and let's see, it should be in there now. No. Okay, so so dash S. It didn't work, so let's see. Now this may work, I'm not for sure, so let's see. Let's see, nano. Port OBS, enter, I'll paste, and now kill all terminal. 1 second. Alright guys, I'm gonna try something again, but yeah, this is getting pretty long, so okay, I'm gonna wrap it up soon. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so the stuff did not work properly, okay? So basically I figured out the best way of doing this is if basically using the same message script, but you need to take so you basically can use the stream deck freshness portion to do multi to do an actual thing, to do the multi open with a new whole empty OBS, and you can edit it that way. So basically you still make that software just so you're not running this under root and risking deleting stuff, because that's how you can make it so you don't delete the items on there. And delete the items, because if you accidentally delete them there, they don't delete forever unless you open it through root. So in order to make it easy accessible, in order for it to open root, you literally just need to open it through root so you can edit it. You don't have to enter the command at all. So basically, first you need to do is open the stream deck, and then you basically go to open and open terminal, just so terminal is open in the background, okay? And so make sure you don't press anything else other than that. Then you make number one. Number one is I'll show you. So basically, you get this, okay? And you take this, you basically press copy, and then let me close this real quick. So you press copy, then you load terminal. But next time you open terminal, you gotta close all those. But basically, first you open terminal, and then you type. I did it this way. I just did one, but I'll just actually test. So you type in cd space desktop, and you press enter. You go down to the desktop directory. Then you type in nano. Then you type in the name. I'm just going to use test because I named mine already as the way I'm going to use it. And then basically you press enter. Then after that, you copy this. You basically type in this, which is, I'll just leave it there so you can see it. Okay. So you basically copy this here, and then you press the Control X on the keyboard. Press Y. Press enter, and you get the file right here. As you see, it's called test. And then after that, you go back to here, make sure you're still on the desktop directory in terminal, and then you type in chmod. I was actually trying a whole bunch of different stuff just to see what would actually work, and this is working the best. And then basically you type in chmod, then you press space plus, then X space test, or whatever you decided to name the file. I just used test because I didn't want to use quotation marks. Press enter. I think I misspelled it. Yep, I misspelled it. Okay. So I misspelled it. So chmod plus X. Then the file is tset, because I misspelled it by accident, but you get the picture. Enter. You get this file right here. You get executable. When you run executable, it'll ask you for a password. And this is you running as an administrator. This is you running it as sudo, so you type in your password and it appears here. And then after that, after you type in password, OBS will load. And then so there's that. So that's just a test. Now you go back to here, back to terminal, and type in nano, and I'm just gonna actually name this one test because I actually misspelled it last time. Test. And then we go to, then we type in kill all terminal. Kill all terminal. Just how it's spelled. And then you type in, then press Control X, Y, enter, and then you type in chmod plus X space TEST, and this will should work now. And now, when you run this, it kills all terminal. So, since you have that prepared, since that's prepared, and that's prepared, so after this, you basically, you go here on your stream deck, and where it says open, you take open and you go to choose. Then you go to down to utilities, and then go down to terminal. And then we'll name this one 0 because that's how I had it there. Then 1. When you press 1, so 1 is so now I go to open, and then we will basically, I'm just going to leave this on the desktop since I'm going to show you how it is after I put together the file. So, and then I press this one, go to desktop. 1 would be this one. And I'll name this one 1. And then you want to go to the text file. Then you want to do a text file. You put your password here. I'm just going to say password. That's not my password. You would put password here. Not unless that's your password, then put whatever your password is here and press 2. And then 3 would be hotkey. And so you then take a hotkey and then assign it. You press enter and name it 3. And then for the last one, which for me is 4, so now you go to open, and you go to open, you go to desktop, and this one is test, which is kill all terminal. So this will be 4. So after that, you go to the top of here and get a multi-action. And then you basically press copy, paste. Then you go paste, to paste three and last one, which is 4. And so after that, you wanna take the delay I'm just gonna put a 5,000 millisecond delay, which is 5,000. And now right here, now you just go, you can copy, paste, okay, and so that's how it would look. Okay, and then when you're done, you make an icon, which I'm going to make one. Let's see. Let me make one real quick, and while I do that, I'm gonna show you how it works afterwards. I'm just gonna make an icon. Hi guys, so almost done. So we're at final stretch. So let's see. As you can see I have desktop empty, but I'm about to show you how I have it. So when I press the button, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. 1 second. So let me switch. So 1 second. Gotta fix something. There you go. Sorry about that. I had to fix the camera. Because of, okay, so as you can see, here's the Stream Deck button right here. So I press this one, loads that, loads that. It takes 5 seconds because of, I did that. Kills terminal. Cancel. So let's go to, if we go to remove this one. So if we remove this one because it's gone. So we go to remove. And then if we go to over here, back to Stream Deck, and we press open again, it opens it, and it basically is there. So it's gone. And and from here, I could basically go to my other Stream Deck. I might just put a kill OBS button over here too. But basically, I can press this button on the Stream Deck over here and quit. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and hope this video isn't too extra long, which it probably is pretty long. So
hey guys, thanks for watching. So go down in the description and there is contact information if you need consulting or anything. Check out my second channel, subscribe to there too, check out my blog, my email address is in there too. So yeah.